human body was never meant to be seated for 8 hours a day. It was meant to be active, even in its rest. See, for most of human history, the ground was the only chair we had. It forced us to squat, to kneel, to constantly shift our weight, turning sitting into a form of active recovery. But for the modern human, like me, we have chairs and couches, pieces of furniture that allow us to just shut our bodies off entirely. We trade mobility for comfort, and over time, our hips tighten, our spines slump, and we lose the very flexibility we were born with, like I did. See, this was me 6 years ago, with the worst posture known to humankind. A literal S for a spine, and a neck that looked like it was actively trying to detach from my torso. So, what's the answer? How do you fix a body that is completely adapted to a broken environment? Well, this. I sat on the floor for the last 3 years, but getting to this point was a lot uglier than it looks. When I first realized my posture was destroying my body, my mindset was pretty simple. I just need to outwork it. I thought I could just do some stretching and some lifting and it would take care of itself. I set alarms to do stretching routines every hour. I did anterior pelvic tilt exercises. I even went to physical therapy. It was a constant, exhausting cycle of stretching, and lifting. But nothing was making a dent. I remember sitting there, barely 20 years old, feeling completely demoralized. Every single muscle was stiff. I was so tight I could barely get past my knees when I tried to touch my toes, and I kept thinking, it makes absolutely no sense that my body is already this broken. So, when the routines failed, I started throwing some money at the problem. I figured if I just bought the right desk, it would magically fix me. Standing desks, ergonomic chairs, electric desks. I always saw the marketing behind these brands and how these desks would fix your broken posture, so I tried them out. Or made my own version of the perfect desk, which would change every couple of months after I went down a Reddit rabbit hole. In the end, I went through literally 10 different setups in the span of a few years, like this one, and this one. Bruh. Some of these were so ugly I don't even know why my roommates let me do this. It got so bad that in college, I literally bought a projector, pointed it at the ceiling, and watched my lecture recordings lying flat on my back in bed with a mouse and keyboard on my chest. I remember lying there looking up at the ceiling thinking, this is pathetic. And guess what? Nothing worked. The physical tightness in my body was becoming so loud that I couldn't even really focus on my work anymore. Every time I sat down in a chair, I knew I was actively wrecking my body. I was at my breaking point. And then I had a realization that changed everything for me. The chair was basically a cast. It was locking me into a single shape for 8 hours a day. I was treating the symptom, but my environment was the disease. My logic was simple. If the chair is the problem, just take away the chair. The floor made perfect sense. You can move around, stretch stiff muscles, and squat while you work. So, I gave it a shot. It didn't take long to hurt. My body might have been built for the floor, but I grossly underestimated how conditioned I was. I had spent the last 20-something years programming my body to sit exclusively in one position. Okay, maybe 2 positions. But the floor felt incredibly unnatural. In fact, it hurt so much at the beginning that I had to set up 2 completely different desks just to get through the workday. I do 20-something minutes on the floor, then retreat to a normal chair for a few hours. But here's the amazing part. Even in those short 20-minute bursts multiple times a day, things started improving pretty rapidly. My pelvis started to straighten out, my hips were loosening, my body was starting to feel more like a body and less like a tight, stiff mess. It was actually working. But my dual desk setup was still pretty hideous. And when we downsized into a 1-bedroom apartment, I didn't have the space for it anymore. So I ditched the regular desk entirely, bought a heavy piece of butcher block off Facebook Marketplace, bolted on some short legs with my dad, and built my perfect floor desk. I figured if I didn't have a chair, I'd be forced to adapt. I was wrong. Willpower runs out when your knees feel like they're on fire. So I'd use the floor desk for an hour, my knees would scream at me, and then I'd grab my laptop and flee to the couch in defeat. My mind was ready for this, but my body just wasn't there yet. I realized I couldn't just jump from 20 years of chair sitting straight to the floor overnight. I needed a bridge. I needed a way to bail out when it hurt without leaving my workspace. Enter one of the ugliest setups I've ever built. I essentially shoved a coffee table underneath an electric standing desk. It entirely killed the aesthetic of my room, but functionally, it was the missing piece. It let me sit on the floor by sitting on the coffee table, sit in it like a normal chair by putting my legs off when my knees needed a break, and then put it up to standing, all in one desk setup. And because I could finally take breaks without leaving my desk, my floor stamina skyrocketed. I was comfortably sitting cross-legged for 2 hours at a time, and as my floor time went up, my body continued to loosen. But I couldn't stare at that ugly coffee table setup forever. I needed a real system, a desk that could actually drop all the way to the floor and all the way up to standing. During my search, I found exactly what I was looking for. A company called Low Desk, a desk that would go down to the floor, up to sitting height, and up to standing. So I reached out to partner with them, and they said no, which honestly, looking at my coffee table setup, I didn't blame them. But I wasn't giving up. I spent the next few months grinding away on that ugly coffee table, letting my hips get looser, growing this channel, and proving the system worked. And a few months later, I swallowed my pride, emailed them again, and this time they said yes. I want to be incredibly clear. This is not a sponsored video. I just annoyed them until they finally gave me an affiliate link. But the truth is, the desk is just a vessel. The real payoff isn't the piece of wood I put my laptop on. The real payoff is what happened to my body when I finally built an environment that allowed me to live on the floor. Here's what I realized over the last 3 years. Every single day I sat on the ground, my body was literally fixing itself. It wasn't just about building endurance. The deep, aching stiffness in my lower back was vanishing. My hips were opening up. My spine naturally started stacking itself upright without me having to force it or set alarms to stretch. I wasn't just getting used to it. I was actively reversing years of damage I did to my body. And the thing I learned wasn't that chairs are evil and the floor is magic. The secret was movement. By having an environment that handles floor sitting, standard sitting, and standing, my workspace became a closed system that forces me to move without thinking about it. 3 years later, looking back at that kid with the S spine, physical change is pretty crazy. My body looks nothing like what it did, and I wake up without pain or stiffness. I don't go to bed tight, and I can actually touch my toes. Because my body is no longer a loud, stiff, distracting mess, my mind actually has the space to work. I'm not focused on how terrible my back feels. I'm just focused on what's in front of me. By simply changing my environment, I stopped fighting my body and finally gave it the space it needed to heal itself. If you want to check out the desk I use, the link is in the description. It helps support the channel. You can also just put your laptop on a coffee table or on your office chair and try sitting on the floor. See how your body feels. Eventually, it will thank you. I also highly recommend putting a cushion under your butt when you're floor sitting. It will make it a lot easier and more comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, I also made a video diving into the science of floor sitting. You can watch that here, or you can watch this video about how I decluttered my entire life in one day.